some fun playing with some Play-Doh?
Yes.
Okay, here you go.
Yay!
So we're going to be learning some shapes today and get creative. You will get different shaped molds in here. You have animals and transportation.
I see a monkey.
Monkey, okay, then.
An elephant.
Elephant,
And
wow.
An elephant and a gorilla and a bear.
So come on, let's open it and have some fun.
Noodles are colored. And we have some card. What does it do? We have bikes. Just
Bicycle.
that's what my brother has. Whee!
What's that?
It's a boat like Mora's. A train. Choo choo, choo choo. Airplane.
A triangle and a square. And then you have a knife. And that's a roller to roll the dough. We have how many colors of?
We have pink, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple.
That's right, we have 6 colors. Oh, so those are the mats, the double-sided mats.
Yeah.
So let's take the farm animal shapes then for this. So yeah, Cheryl, show us the animal shapes that you have.
This is a pig.
It's a pig.
A rooster.
A rooster. So Cheryl wants to do the farm animals first. And which animal have you taken now, Cheryl?
Cat.
A cat. And what color do you want for the cat? Which color plate? Purple. A purple cat. That's very interesting. Yellow, and that's for the hen, right? Okay, so which animal is next, Cheryl?
Pig.
A pig. You like it?
Yes.
Oh.
And Mama.
Why do you like it, Cheryl?
Because we make hundreds of pigs. It's gonna be so fun.
Ah.
And I'm gonna make Daddy pig and Mama pig. Yippee! My farm is ready.